Hi there, and welcome back to another Petty Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to be looking at exercise number 5, which is kind of like a continuation of exercise number 4. Because in exercise number 4, we saw what happened to an absolute value function where we subtract outside the absolute value. And when we subtracted outside the absolute value, it moved our function down. So what do you think is going to happen in exercise number 5, where we're adding outside? Again, addition is the opposite of subtraction. Subtracting outside moved it down. So adding outside might do what? And if you said move up, you're correct. And now we're going to see that. So let's make a table for x and k of x. And again, let's just use -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 in our table. We're going to substitute these x values in to see what we get for k of x. So we have the absolute value of -3 is +3, plus 1 gives us 4. The absolute value of -2 is +2, plus 1 gives us 3. The absolute value of -1 is +1, plus 1 gives us 2. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. And then we have absolute value of 1 is 1, plus 1 gives us 2. And there we go. Our y values are repeating. That's what we like to see. So the absolute value of 2 is 2, plus 1 gives us 3, and 3 plus 1 will give us 4. So now we have our x and our y values to graph on this grid. So let's do that and see what happened to our absolute value graph. So we have the point -3, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, -2, comma 3, -1, comma 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. And again, those points should be in the shape of a perfect letter V, symmetrical to say the least. And after you connect those with a nice straight line, go ahead and draw arrows on the edges of each. Now start to notice where that function has been shifted from the parent function who had a vertex at 0, 0. So you might notice that to get from 0, 0 point to this vertex point, you have to move, yes, up from f of x, and up how many units? 1 unit. So it would shift 1 unit up from f of x. So just as we learned in exercises numbers 2 and 3, that when you subtract or add inside the absolute value, you move your function left and right. But when you subtract and add outside the absolute value, you move the function down or up. So if this video was helpful in introducing you to your next transformation rule regarding absolute value functions, and soon to see every function, give this video a thumbs up. And you're now ready for exercise number 6. Thank you for watching.